Hello, my name's Dina, and this is World Geography Wednesday. It's like Taco Tuesday, but better. Today, we're going to learn about Egypt. You all know a little something about Egypt, like the fact that it has mummies and pyramids and the Sahara Desert. Today, I'm going to tell you some fun facts about Egypt that you might not have known, such as the fact that Cleopatra was actually Greek. Then, I'm going to show you how to make shish kababs. They're easy enough for kids to make and absolutely delicious. Let's get started.
Grab your favorite world map and find Egypt. It's in Africa, it's part of the Middle East, and it borders the Red Sea. There it is.
Quick question. What are you doing? You're supposed to be learning about Egypt.
I'm mummifying my sister. That's Egyptian.
Good point. Do you at least know the capital of Egypt?
Cairo!
Okay, carry on.
All right, here's some fun facts about Egypt. The tradition of exchanging wedding rings originated in Egypt. The Nile is the longest river in the world. About 95% of Egyptians live along its banks because the majority of the country is desert. The scarab beetle was a symbol of immortality, resurrection, and protection in the ancient Egyptian religion. Scarabs were used to decorate jewelry, tiaras, and even furniture. The language they spoke in ancient times was Egyptian, but today, the Egyptian national language is Arabic. The Citadel in Cairo was once the administrative center of Egypt's rulers. It was built in 1176 to defend the city from crusaders. Bonus fact, Egypt has the oldest prosthetic limb in the world. It was a toe made of leather, wood, and thread belonging to an ancient Egyptian woman around 950 BC. Gross.
If you want to learn more, the YouTube channel Travel Kids has a cute video about mummies. And HOMESCHOOL POP has a great video called Ancient Egypt for Kids. There's a link to both of these videos in the description box below. But that's enough learning, it's time to eat. Today, we're going to be making beef shish kebabs. Kebab means roasted meat in Arabic, and shish is Turkish for skewer. Shish kebabs date back thousands of years and are eaten all over the Middle East. We're going to be making ours with beef, but you can do chicken breast if you prefer.
Feel free to use whatever veggies you like, just keep your cooking times in mind. First, cut your beef into cubes. The smaller the cubes, the faster they'll cook. Then mix your marinade. Here's a screenshot of everything you need. Add 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger, a half teaspoon of cinnamon, an 1/8 teaspoon of cloves. Then add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic and about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix it well into your meat, cover it with plastic wrap, and let it marinate at room temperature for 30 minutes to an hour. While your beef is marinating, preheat your oven to 400 degrees.
Now I roast mine in the oven because it's a school night and that's easier and faster. If you have an outdoor grill and you prefer to use that, go for it. Also, I'm using metal skewers, but if you're using wooden skewers, now is the time you want to soak them in water so they don't catch on fire.
Now cut all your veggies into squares big enough to skewer. Add a good glug of olive oil and some seasoning and give it a good stir. Once your beef is finished marinating, thread everything onto your skewers. Get your kids to help. I recommend alternating meat with veg, but you can make whatever pattern you like. Just be sure to leave a little bit of space in between so everything cooks evenly. Then roast the skewers uncovered for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the meat is done.
All right, it's been 20 minutes, our beef is cooked, and our shish kebabs are ready to eat. Let's give it a taste. And it just falls apart. I'm gonna eat mine with a little tzatziki sauce. You want yours plain?
Yes, please.
Okay, here's yours. On the count of 3, we'll give it a taste test. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That's good.
Very good.
I hope you like this episode, World Geography Wednesday in Egypt. If you do movie night, I recommend The Prince of Egypt. And if you want the full Egyptian menu, check out my blog. I've linked to it in the description box below. In it, you'll find a recipe for Ali. It's a sweet, nutty Egyptian bread pudding that's absolutely delicious. Hope to see you next week. Bye.